Have you ever heard of chia seeds? These tiny seeds might look small, but they are full of amazing health benefits. Chia seeds have been around for thousands of years and were even used by the ancient Mayans and Aztecs. They didn't just eat them because they were tasty. They knew these seeds could give them strength and help their bodies stay healthy. The word chia actually means strength in the Mayan language. So, what makes chia seeds so special? Let's dive in and discover all the awesome things that happen to your body when you eat them every day. 1. Chia seeds are packed with nutrients. Chia seeds are super powerful because they have lots of vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats. Just one serving of chia seeds, about 2 tablespoons, gives you a lot of nutrients, like 138 calories, 5 grams of protein, 14% of the calcium your body needs daily, 23% of magnesium, 20% of phosphorus, and much more. They even have more calcium than some dairy products like milk. That's why these tiny seeds were a big part of the diet for ancient warriors. They gave them lots of energy and strength. Modern science now knows how amazing chia seeds are for keeping our bodies healthy, too. 2. Your digestion will get much better. One of the best things about chia seeds is that they help your stomach and digestive system because they are full of fiber, a nutrient that helps your body process food and stay regular. Just one serving of chia seeds can give you 10 grams of fiber, which is a big chunk of the fiber you should eat every day. When you eat enough fiber, it can help keep your tummy feeling good, reduce the chance of constipation, and even help prevent diabetes. Chia seeds have both soluble and insoluble fiber, which means they can help you digest food better and feel full longer. So, if you're trying to eat healthier or keep your digestive system happy, chia seeds are a great food to add. 3. Chia seeds can help you lose weight. Do you want to feel full longer and not snack as much? Chia seeds might be the answer. These little seeds are filled with fiber, and fiber helps you feel full. In fact, studies show that people who eat chia seeds often feel less hungry between meals. In one study, people who ate chia seeds with yogurt felt fuller for a longer time compared to those who didn't. Even though chia seeds might not make you lose a lot of weight right away, they can still help you control how much you eat, which is a great start. 4. They help keep your heart healthy. Want to have a happy, healthy heart? Chia seeds can help with that too. They have special fats called omega-3 fatty acids, which are super good for your heart. About 75% of the fats in chia seeds are omega-3s, and they help keep your heart strong and lower the chances of heart disease. Chia seeds also contain an antioxidant called quercetin, which can help reduce the risk of heart problems. So, by eating chia seeds every day, you're giving your heart a little extra protection. 5. They help your bones stay strong. Chia seeds are a great way to make sure your bones stay healthy. They have calcium and magnesium, 2 minerals that are super important for strong bones. Just 1 ounce of chia seeds gives you 18% of the calcium you need each day. If you want stronger bones, chia seeds are a great choice. They even have more calcium than milk, so you don't need to drink as much dairy to keep your bones strong. Plus, some studies even show that eating chia seeds for a long time can help increase bone mineral content, which means your bones can get even stronger over time. 6. Chia seeds may help balance your blood sugar. Did you know that chia seeds can help keep your blood sugar levels steady? This is especially important for people with diabetes. When you eat chia seeds, they can slow down how quickly your body turns food into sugar, helping prevent blood sugar spikes. In a small study, people who ate chia seeds had better blood sugar control than those who didn't. This could be really helpful for people with type 2 diabetes, as it can help keep blood sugar levels in check throughout the day. 7. They help fight inflammation. Inflammation is when your body gets swollen and sore because it's fighting off something bad. It's a natural response, but when you have chronic inflammation that lasts too long, it can cause problems like heart disease and even cancer. Chia seeds can help lower this inflammation. Chia seeds have omega-3 fatty acids and caffeic acid, both of which are known to help reduce inflammation. Eating chia seeds every day can help protect you from serious diseases caused by long-term inflammation. 8. Chia seeds are full of antioxidants. You might have heard of antioxidants before, but do you know what they do? Antioxidants help protect your body's cells from damage caused by free radicals, which can lead to aging and sickness. Chia seeds are full of antioxidants like quercetin, myricetin, and chlorogenic acid. These antioxidants help keep your heart, liver, and even your skin healthy. So, when you eat chia seeds, you're giving your body a shield against all the harmful stuff that can hurt your cells. 9. It's super easy to add chia seeds to your diet. The best part about chia seeds is that they're super easy to add to your meals. You don't need to make any big changes to your diet. You can sprinkle chia seeds on your yogurt, mix them into smoothies, or even stir them into oatmeal. They can also help thicken sauces or be used as a substitute for eggs in baking. They don't have much taste on their own, but they can make your food even better and give you all the benefits we've talked about. 10. Chia seeds can help keep your cholesterol healthy. Did you know that chia seeds might help lower your cholesterol? Cholesterol is a fat that's in your blood, and having too much of it can cause heart problems. Some studies have shown that chia seeds can help lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and raise good cholesterol, HDL, which helps protect your heart. Though chia seeds can't fix all cholesterol problems on their own, they can be a great addition to a heart-healthy diet, especially if you're trying to lower cholesterol levels. As you can see, chia seeds are small but mighty. These tiny seeds are packed with nutrients that help your body in so many ways, from making your bones stronger to helping your heart stay healthy. Plus, they're easy to add to almost any meal, and you don't have to make any big changes to your diet. So, why not start eating chia seeds every day? Whether you add them to your breakfast, a smoothie, or a salad, these little seeds can make a big difference in your health. Give them a try and see the benefits for yourself. Enjoyed this video? Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more fun and helpful videos. Thanks for watching.